My name is Celine Awuor. I am the Chief Executive Officer at the International Institute for Legislative Affairs, ILA. And advocacy is an important component of tobacco control in the country. And advocacy, especially what we do as civil society organizations, has played a significant role in tobacco control policy implementation in the country. And this is also supported by the recognition of the role of civil society in implementation of the FCTC. The FCTC actually recognizes the important role that civil society, non-governmental organizations, and non-state actors in general play in realizing or supporting achievement of the objectives of the FCTC, which also speak to the attainment of the objectives of our Tobacco Control Act. And what the CSOs have been able to achieve in the past in regards to advocacy is one of the significant areas that advocacy has supported is tobacco taxation, which has generated success stories or benefits over the past several years. And this can be traced back all the way to even the enactment, passage of the Tobacco Control Act from the beginning, 2007, a role that, a space that the CSOs really supported and worked very closely with government agencies to see that the act was passed. But also now coming down to tobacco taxation, this is an area that the CSOs have worked in for many years, including ILA, and now we also have NTA and NCET and other actors on board, which is actually what we need because of the challenges that we are currently seeing in this space, where we are witnessing a lot of industry interference on a new dimension that we've not seen before, as well as political interference or lack of commitment from politicians, which calls for us to come together, to be more united, more than ever actually, and be able to speak from the same point of view, to have one agenda and have us build a strong coalition or a strong movement of civil society organization and non-state actors to drive this agenda, because we need to develop or build that strong and powerful movement. Which is only with that we can be able to address some of these challenges that you are seeing, especially coming from the industry and the political problems that you are seeing. So this conference has been a good platform to talk about tobacco taxation and what the various actors are doing, both government and non-state actors. And we are seeing the need to address some of the key issues that have come up in the recent Finance Act that was passed. One of them being the fact that we need to bring back inflation adjustment of excise taxes that was repealed from the Excise Duty Act of 2015, but also relook at our tax structure. And we just had a presentation here on the tax model simulation that the University of UCT has done. And I think this is a chance for us to review our structures and how we apply. We're able to use that tool to be able to bring forth a compelling case of restructuring the tobacco tax system that we have. So ideally, I think from what we've had, something that we've known and we've always been preaching about is that we need a unified and simplified tax structure that taxes all cigarettes at the same rate, regardless of whether or not they have filters, and then be intentional about increasing that rate and also adjusting the rates to inflation. So this is still a call to the CSOs that we still have a lot to do, and we can only do this if we come together, collaborate, bring all our resources, bring all our expertise and our skills and knowledge together, and address this, tackle this matter as a community together. Thank you.